Alright guys, I know you want to see the review on these bad boys, but I gotta bring you the presentation. Yes, the Adidas AE2s are in the building. And man, when I'm talking about they rock the building, they rock the building, guys. Roll my intro. Let's not waste any more time. The shoelaces are getting loose. Guys, just roll my intro. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And yes, these shoes have got me off guard 100%. I'll give you the final assessment, comfortability, everything at the end of the video, guys. But before we even get into these bad boys, I have to show you the presentation because, man, it's actually worth looking at, guys. Check this out. The way the box opens alone, that's tight, man. I think that's cool as hell as it is. Very unique touch. And it has the stripes, you know, like these tiger stripes in glossy black. Very nice. It has the AE logo right in the bottom. Right in front of the box, right there, as you guys can see, it has the AE logo and the Adidas logo side by side. And it has, on the other side, it has the Adidas logo nicely embossed right on top of that little circle. Anthony Edwards 2, size 10. I'll bring you guys the sizing at the end of the video. Now, there's a little detail when it comes to this box. Besides that, I really like it. I'll show you the inside right now. It's just a little bit. As a matter of fact, I'll show you the inside just to get it out of the way right there, guys. It just has the paper. It brings these little tags here and there. And it has an extra pair of shoelaces right there, you know, and the paper has the AE logo and the Adidas logo. But what I was gonna bring up is the simple fact of, I don't know if every box that comes out now with the AE2s are gonna have the matching color. You see, guys, I don't know if that's gonna have the matching color or if this is just the box that it's gonna come with. I have no idea. But the presentation is very, very nice. I'm talking about collaboration status. This is nice, bro. You know, it gets you a little. I'll keep it to myself. You know what I'm saying? Now, let me just put this right here, guys. Let's leave the box alone. Let's leave the box alone, guys. And yes, we're going to get into the shoes immediately. That I'm telling you, like I said, it was a shocker to me in every single way. And we'll talk at the end, guys, about it. And you already know how I start this off, guys. The materials and the toe box. Yes, the toe box. Very important. The toe box, you see right there, guys. Just so you can know and have a reference, is very similar to the AE1s. But it has the color matching to that, like, cream, yellowish tint to it. Very beautiful color. That's very unique to me. And that whole toe box is 3M. Staying in the top of the shoes, guys. Like always, you know, I gotta keep it in the top. It is all mesh, very good quality mesh. The tongue in mesh as well. Shoelaces in black, like you guys saw. It does have the spare shoelaces in that pink color. And all the way in the top, it has the AE logo with those tiger stripes. I just like them. I call them the tiger stripes, guys. If I'm right or wrong, I don't know. But to me, they look like tiger stripes. And you can see running through the whole sides of the top, this nice rubber. It's polyurethane, guys. Not to call it rubber. Let's call it, you know, for the professional, the experts in materials out there. This one I can get to know what it is. It is polyurethane all the way to the top. And now that I'm thinking about it, it could be even silicone. You see, guys, the material expert doesn't work out, guys. It doesn't work. Ballistic mesh. Anyways, let's just get to the point. Rubber. Call it rubber, silicone, whatever. You see the windows inside of that black and that pink mesh color. That is the exact same color as the side of the shoe. The side of the shoe, it all has that beige yellowish color. Like I said, a very unique color. I like it very much. And it has that pink mesh running like at a big angle across the actual whole shoe. That if you could see it in a way It's like basically that black piece that has the mesh that actually is in the inside of the shoe as well. It looks like it's actually running like a grill mesh in the back. Love the look of that 100%. Right on top, it has like a nice brighter pink color. Whole different type of, it has a look to it. It has like these little lines. I don't know if you guys can catch it right there in the camera, but it is very nice. And in the back of the shoe, let's just go all the way to the back of the shoe. You see these two carbon fiber pieces in matte. That is, to me, a very beautiful touch. The top has nicely embossed in the silicone, that Adidas logo, and everything surrounded it is a nice mesh, spongy mesh. Let's call it like that, guys. Going into the inside of the shoe, man, it is nice. A lot of padding in the Achilles area and the heel area also. It's just very nice. I will get to the comfortability at the end because that's very important when it comes to these shoes. And the whole insole is in black with the A logo in pink. Now let's jump into the midsole. The midsole, guys, is technically, I don't know if to even call it a midsole, but you do see that it has like a sewing, like an indentation on that pink. If you guys can see it right there in the bottom, I guess that's what gives it the midsole look. It's just a very futuristic shoe. It's crazy the way this shoe is designed. Going into the sole of the shoe, a lot of gradient, guys. It has that white and it gradients into the pink, like it has like neon lights under the sole. Very beautiful touch right there. And it's all surrounded in that beige yellowish color. I'm gonna call it beige yellowish because I don't really know. You could call it cream, you could call it get the money. I forgot to say that. You can call it whatever the hell you want, but it's just a nice looking color, beautiful color. It really catches your eye. And right in the middle, it has this black plaque that is basically like if it was the front of the shoes, and it has the basically the same little windows, if you guys can see it. And it has the A logo right in the middle in hot pink. And just one other detail all the way in the back that has to do with the sole of the shoe. It has the A logo and the pattern, that tread pattern, all the way running through the shoe. That is very unique as well. And in the front, it has the Adidas logo. Extremely nice touch, very unique, very simple. The shoe is extremely simple, but man, this has an impact. I don't care what anybody says. This looks better than 99.9% of all shoes that have come out this year. Keep your hype. Keep all the hype. Keep talking about a Jordan that has come out a gazillion times just in a different colorway. Keep it. I like into the future. This is what I'm expecting that in the year 2025 people would be wearing. Yes, this right here, like the Jordan 40, something different, unique. This is what it also. Go ahead, get butthurt. I don't care, bro. You don't like it, don't look at it. Peace, bye. This is what it's all about, and I give it up to Adidas 100% for doing a great job. This is what I'm expecting in the year 2025. It's just very nice all the way through. I love the shoe, man. Just the design of it, clean, simple, but at the same time very complex. It's beautiful, man. This Adidas, you killed it with this, dude. And I'm gonna get into the comfortability and the on foot right now, but I just had to get that out of the way. And what a magnificent shoe. So now getting into the comfortability. Wow. That's all I'm gonna say. Wow. This is sick when it comes to the comfortability. The padding around the ankle area, crazy, bro. Spongy. It has like the sponge all inside of the shoe. Man, it's just crazy, dude. It's crazy how comfortable this shoe is. And of course, man, when it comes to style, bro, come on, man. Just imagine a shoe like this coming out in 95, 96, boy. This would have been, that's it. The Jordan 11s would have been long gone. This is fire, bro. Fire, Hita, Nina. Of course, it's like everything. It's not going to be for everybody, guys. I'm talking about, at least in my case, I love the shoe. And this is gonna be up there for sneaker of the year when it comes to me. It's up there, man. It's a big challenge to what so far I have for sneaker of the year, that I'm not gonna mention it, or I'm gonna give any clues what it is, guys. But you guys know that my sneaker of the year video is something. That's how I'm gonna put it. It's just something. You know what I'm saying? So yes, this is very beautiful all the way through. Very comfortable, nice. I recommend them 100%. This is worth every single penny. Price is on point. Everything of this shoe is bad ASF. Yes, I'm gonna put it like that, guys. You know, I don't want to mess up the monetization over here, guys. You know, probably kids will watch it. But yes, man, these go hard, dude. These are sick, bro. Sick. I'm finally getting the vibes of shoes again, guys. Besides the burning out that they have done of Jordan is out of control already. But Adidas, you're bringing it back the way it should be. Bring back these unique silhouettes, these great, shoes for the actual players, the signature shoes. These are, man, I'm just super happy with these, bro. Super happy. Anyways, guys, there you guys have it. Presentation, shoes, comfortability, on foot, the whole shebang, style, everything, guys. Like I always say, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best, guys. Peace. El cohete.